Hi, I am standing here right in the middle of the grid. As you can see behind me, there's only 1.5 hours left to go. I'm going to take you for a little stroll. You can see all the teams now really working really hard, stressing, trying to finish their product on time. So if you follow me, I'm going to give you a little impression of the venue. As you can see here, everyone's very busy. Some teams are already wrapping up, as you can see. Guys, are you already done?
I'm not participating in the hackathon.
Oh. Hi guys. Are you a team?
No.
No, you're not a team.
I'm not. These guys are.
What's your role?
I'm a Jedi.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm helping out the pension people make sure they can design the future of life security correctly.
Okay. So, what are your predictions for these final 1.5 hours?
Oh, I'm predicting some really cool products. These kids have been working all weekend and they've been designing some really awesome technologies. So they've been thinking with the world in new ways and they're actually applying it in the real world. So excited to see what they have to got.
Okay, thank you.